Morning guys, I'm done with my 5 kilometers run. Early morning, grabing pawis. Syempre, ah, ito yung ating pang-recovery. Yeah, Santi Barley. And the good thing about Santi Barley, complete na siya ng mga nutrients that our body needs. Tapos, good source food din po siya ng ah, hydration. Of course, syempre number one, water. Plus, dagdagan mo ng barley. So, mas naging powerful ka. Kasi nga, as hindi naman talaga ako runner, I'm not a professional runner, but what I discovered was pag umiinom ako ng barley, talagang bumabalik yung aking lakas agad. No? So, guys, inom tayo muna bago ako mag-grounding. Yan. So, definitely, it has 3 grams inside, no? Barley powder. Then, you can just mix with cold or normal water. But itong dala ko is cold siya. Like 150 ml. Tapos, dagdagan nyo na lang ng tubig. Drink na lang kayo. Kasi fiber is, mayaman po siya sa fiber. So, kung kulang ka sa water, so, maka-constipate ka. So, dapat more water. Yeah. So, yan. Yes, here. So, shake lang natin. Grabe yung pawis ko guys. Recovery na lang ako bago ako mag-grounding. Magandaan sa kanya, aside from ito na yung parang pinaka-electrolytes drinks ko, nakaka-recover agad yung aking energy. If you are healthy, so just take it once a day para suportahan yung healthy lifestyle at mapalakas yung iyong immune system. Yes. Right. Oh, green na green. Sarap. One more. Bitin. Yes. So now, grounding tayo. Yan. So, kagandahan pag nasa park ka, syempre, after running, naka-shoes. So, ngayon, grounding naman. Sarap. Yes. But before that, gawin ko muna itong aking daily routine. Yeah. Yeah. What's up guys? Ah. 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 Sarap. So guys, masarap. Malakas ulit ako. Guys, ito lang po mga advice ko sa ating mga viewers, especially if you are a distributor of Santay or you are promoting health and wellness. Dapat po, pagaling natin mag-exercise. If you cannot manage na mag-exercise ka araw-araw. Of course, then busy nga. So at least once a week talaga dapat mag-exercise ka. Kahit walking lang, it's okay. Ako, uh, in spite of napaka-busy na schedule, so I always find ways na mag-exercise. Minimum of 3, 3 times a week. So, my daily routine is takbo muna ako for 5 kilometers. Then after that, grounding. Ginagawa ko yung nakita niyo kanina, jumping, tapos squat thrust. Napakasarap sa pakiramdam kasi. Okay, then sometimes, push up. You guys, so thank you so much. So, I believe na the best investment pa rin is yung health natin. So, hindi po yung bahay, hindi po yung sasakyan, or ano pa man, mga luxury items, hindi po yan the best investment. Pinaka the best investment pa rin is your health. Kasi kung healthy ka, mas marami kang magagawa. Alright? So guys, thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.